Good morning, children. Today, let's continue part B, question number 23 to 27, children. You have already done editing part. You have read the passage and edited the passage, corrected the errors. Now, we are going to do question number 23 to 27. As you all know that it is sentences which covers all the parts of our English grammar what we have studied since class 1. Right, children? So, what will they do in this is they will give you a paragraph. Read the passage given below, focusing on the parts that are underlined and answer the questions given at the end as directed. So, what will they do? They will give you a paragraph. In that paragraph, they will underline some sentences. And that sentences again they will direct you what to do. Now, see, ants also exchange information with their antennae. They serve as both nose and fingertips. When ants meet on a trail, they wave their feelers back and forth, touching, stroking, and trapping one another. They search for smells that identify a friendly nest mate or a hostile stranger. If the ants are sister, one may signal the other that she needs nourishment. Then the sister spreads her antennae, open her mandible, and brings up food from her crop for her sister to eat. As Mr. Franklin suspected, ants really do communicate by means of body language and chemistry. Ants tell one another what they need to do and they do it. Now, first sentence you see, children, what is underlined? Ants also exchange information with their antenna. They serve as both nose and fingertips. So what you have to do, combine the sentences using which. How will you combine? Ants also exchange information with their antenna, which serve as both nose and fingertips. Here you have removed they. This relative pronoun has taken place of they, and you have also removed the full stop. Okay. Then see second one, 24th one, children. They search for smells that identify a friendly nest mate or a hostile stranger. Combine using either or. How will you write? They search for smells that identify either a friendly nest mate or a hostile stranger. Right, children? Now next one. Then the sister spreads her antennae, opens her mandible. Combine the sentence using not only but also. How will you combine? Then the sister spreads not only her antennae but also opens her mandible. Right, children? Then see, ants really do communicate. You have to add a question tag here. To add a question tag, you need to see auxiliary verb. If there is no auxiliary verb, you have to see main verb and go for use of do, does or did depending on the tense. So here what is a suitable question tag? Ants really do communicate. Do. Don't they? Right, children? Rewrite the sentence beginning with ants. Now see next sentence. By means of body language and chemistry, ants tell one another what they need to do and they do it. What you have to do now? Rewrite the sentence beginning with ants tell one. Ants tell one another by means of body language and chemistry what they need to do and they do it. What you have to do, children? Write question number 23 to 27 on the top. Then write question answer in your notebook, children. Okay, children? Now let us see the homework part. Read the passage given below, focusing on the parts that are underlined, and answer the questions given below at the end as directed. Sahu is greedy to the core. You have to add a question tag for it. In his greed to earn a large profit, he overworks the bullock. Rewrite the sentence with he works. He is very cruel and he does not feed the bullock properly. Rewrite the sentence beginning with Sahu hits it mercilessly. You can write down. His carts are always overloaded. When it fails to drag the overloaded cart, or if its speed slows down, Sahu hit it mercilessly. Yes, rewrite the sentence using so that. The poor animal cannot bear such severe treatment. This bullock died. Combine the sentence using and. Here children, just you all see 25th one. Yes, 25th one is given for 26th. Yes, just up and down it has gone children. See, for this sentence you write this. He is very cruel and he does not feed the bullock properly. You saw that. Then 26th one is when it fails to drag the overloaded cart or if its speed slows down, Sahu hits it mercilessly. This one you write beginning with Sahu hits it mercilessly. Okay children, don't get confused. Little bit it is up and down. Do it children. Change the question number and do it. Okay children, I want all of you to do your homework regularly children without any problem. Okay, you have to do it children. Take care. Complete your homework, take a photograph and send it children. Thank you.